This is a little video tutorial about how to make your own hot water bottle cover. So here is my hot water bottle, and I've cut the paper so it goes like there, sort of, and then it comes down to about halfway down to the bottle. Okay, and then I'm going to draw around the bottle. So, we draw around the bottle, down the sides, around the bottom, and then over the top, and then straight down. You don't want to faff around with, you know, following the shape because it'll just make it awkward to get in and out, and you have to, I don't know, put elastic in or something, I don't know, just keep it as simple as possible. And then, what you need to do is fold these bits. Fold these bits to the bottom so now they're going to be no longer front of that, and you can, yeah, I'll show you what I mean. So fold that there, flatten it over, crease it so you know where it folds. I was using a full hot water bottle, by the way, so you know how thick it is. And there's creases. Flat. And so at the bottom. Okay, so that's the general shape paper system. Yeah. Anyway, general shape of the hot water bottle. Now we need to add some seam allowance. So I'm just going to do straight edges. Just really I'm keeping this as simple as possible so I can sew these up as quickly as I can. Straight, 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 and then all the way up to here I'm just going to go triangular. Not triangular, what's the word? I don't know. Angled. Straight down. Oh, that's a bit too far out. Giving myself a vague inch around. And then, so then what we need to do is we need to cut along this line with this folded over to the other side so that the shape comes out the back. So I realise I shouldn't have placed it slap bang in the middle of the paper, but there we go. So cut along both sides. And what we need to do follow along the sides again of the bottom flap, which I could have flapped over and cut at the same time actually if I'd thought about it. So there. is super simple. Or the bottom cover. You could even do away with this whole bit. You could just have literally straight envelope of fleece blanket. Depends how quickly you want it done. So what you'll do is, you'll lay that on fabric, cut it out, and then fold that over the piece of fabric. That's not particularly straight. Fold over the piece of fabric. Like this. Pin it all the way down the sides. Sew along there. 2 runs of stitching, and then it's done. And then you can turn it inside out if you want to hide the seams like that. And then it's done. So you can sort of wrap it, put it in, take it out. I don't have a finished example yet to show you, but I will. Maybe.